Alright, today we'll be taking a look at the Promaster circular polarizer filter for 58mm. Now, if you're not sure what this is, it's essentially sunglasses for your camera. It really serves two purposes. First, like I said, it kind of shades out light, and there'll be a lot of days when, it's just going to be so bright that even on the lowest of ISOs, it's just too bright to get, good pictures. And it actually darkens it out a little bit, so it actually makes shooting on very, very bright days, definitely much more doable. And also, it definitely gives a lot of protection to the lens. You can kind of think of it as a see-through lens cap because it gives you the protection, your lens can't get scratched, and at the same time, you could still take pictures and look through it. And this particular filter can generally be found for under $50, so it's not way too expensive. So let's take a look how it performs. Alright, here we are with the filter off at a shutter speed of 1/60th of a second. We are at f9 and ISO 100. And as you see, it really is uncomfortably bright. It's a little bit too bright. So let's take a look what it'll look like with the exact same settings, same ISO, same aperture, same shutter speed, with the filter on. Alright, so here we are at the same exact settings, now just with the filter on. And as you see, it's definitely a little bit more usable. So if you've been having issues, taking pictures or video, in the bright daylight, even at low ISOs, it being just too bright, this is definitely a very usable solution. Alright, durability wise, it really doesn't feel plasticky or cheap at all. It definitely feels more than solid enough. So when it comes to protecting the lens, which I said is really one of its main features, I wouldn't worry about it at all. It definitely feels solid and strong enough. Alright, so that is the Promaster circular polarizer for 58mm. It is definitely worth it if you could find a good deal on it, and is really a very useful tool for photography and videography.